Predictive lead scoring, how it can boost your sales success. AnyBiz. Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore predictive lead scoring, a powerful tool that helps sales teams improve success rates. Using analytics and machine learning, it ranks potential clients based on behavior and historical data, enhancing focus on high-value leads and boosting conversion rates. Let's dive in. Predictive lead scoring ranks potential customers based on their likelihood to convert, using historical data, machine learning, and statistical models. By combining behavioral and contextual factors, it creates a self-improving system that accurately predicts lead quality and value. Predictive lead scoring analyzes data from sources like CRM and social media to create detailed lead profiles. It uses machine learning to improve accuracy, assigns conversion probability scores, and adapts to new information. Integrated with sales technologies, it offers quick access to scores and actionable insights, enabling sales teams to focus on high-potential leads and enhance conversion rates. Real-time scoring updates ratings as new data arrives for timely outreach. Traditional lead scoring uses fixed points for demographics and engagement to identify sales-ready leads. Predictive lead scoring employs machine learning to analyze data and adapt in real time, providing a more accurate assessment of conversion likelihood. Predictive lead scoring improves on traditional methods by increasing accuracy, removing biases, and adapting to market changes. It scales easily, provides nuanced insights, saves time, and enables personalized outreach, leading to higher conversion rates and better ROI. Predictive lead scoring uses AI to identify trends, big data to manage extensive information, and CRM integration for real-time updates. Together, they convert raw data into actionable insights, enabling sales teams to focus on high-potential leads. Predictive lead scoring enhances sales success by accurately identifying high-potential leads, allowing for efficient resource allocation and prioritization. This leads to higher conversion rates and shorter sales cycles, transforming the sales process into a strategic, data-driven approach. AnyBiz transforms lead evaluation with its AI-driven predictive lead scoring system. Unlike traditional methods, it uses artificial intelligence to automatically identify and prioritize leads, ensuring greater accuracy and efficiency. AnyBiz revolutionizes lead evaluation with AI-driven predictive scoring. Its agents collect data from over 80 million prospects and analyze 10,000+ data points per hour to identify high-quality leads. Scores are assigned based on conversion likelihood and updated in real time, ensuring teams focus on top opportunities. Personalized outreach strategies further enhance conversion chances, driving sales success and giving businesses a competitive edge. AnyBiz.io tackles sales challenges by automating lead scoring, saving time, and boosting ROI. It accelerates the sales cycle with personalized engagement, improves email deliverability through domain warming, and enhances brand awareness with automated social media interactions. Sign up now for a 7-day free trial with full access to all features. Revolutionize your sales process and accelerate your business growth. No strings attached. Don't miss out on our updates. Show your support by liking and subscribing to stay tuned.